Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Kim and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I groom my eyebrows. Holy hell, they are like in desperate need right now. They have never been this bad, I don't think. I've let them grow up for so long so I could do this video, so hopefully we can just get straight into this because this is looking, they are, naturally thin, but damn. Ooh. Yeah, but damn. Let's just get into it. So I like to use the NADS brow shaper. I find that this stuff is really good. It's not too harsh. I don't have any red marks afterwards, and it's easy to use. So I like to stick with something that's really easy and obviously doesn't ruin my brows. So I apply the wax only at the top of my brows. I don't do underneath. I find it's too hard to control the wax. So I do one side, that tail end, and sort of not going too close to my brows. This is just to really wax off the excess, like the little fine ones. And then oh, bless you. And then I grab my little strip. They come with little material strips. And it doesn't hurt too much. It's like really fine, hey. It doesn't really hurt at all. Give it a bit of a rub. Give it a rub, 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 rub. And pull it right off as fast as you can. There you go. See, it doesn't really hurt, doesn't really leave a red mark. Nice and smooth. And now applying at the very tops of my brows, and I always leave the arch. I don't touch the arch, I just basically do the two strips, one at the very top and one at the tail end, and then that's me done, basically. Same again, give it a good rub so it's really melting the wax into your hairs, and then pull her off really fast, making sure to not pull off any brows that you don't want to get rid of. Okay, so now we're just going to spoolie up the brow hairs so we can get them nice in place, and we're going to go in underneath them with the wax. So I tell a lie. So my eyebrows were really bad that I actually did use wax underneath, but ordinarily I would only tweezer underneath. I would only tweezer underneath because it can be really, really tricky to wax underneath. You've got less control and it's really easy to wax off way too much. And now I'm just going to go in with some tweezers just to get rid of the last little bits. Looking so much better already. So now I'm just going to go back in with the wax, and I'm just going to basically clean up any excess little hairs, so like a little bit from the monobrow and etc, etc. Next up, I'm just going to trim the hairs so that they're not too bushy looking. I find that for me when I do this, it kind of isn't a great look for me because I find because my hair is really thick and a little bit coarse that the tips look really blunt. So I don't really need to do this. I mean, it's not like they go out of place. I do have thin brows, so this is like not really a necessity for me exactly, but I just figured it'd been a while, so I better just give them a bit of a trim, but yeah. Don't really need to. So now just going in with my CoverGirl brow pencil just to tidy that up a bit and making it look nice and defined. So I feel so much better after I did my brows. They were like way out of hand. This brow pencil is amazing, by the way. This is the new CoverGirl one. I don't know if it's new, but they're recently cruelty free, so that's why I'm using it. And I freaking love it. I think it was like $9 from Priceline. Alright, so that is it. That is how I groom my brows. They are looking so good at the moment. Oh, love them. A little bit of redness there, but it really doesn't last that long. And yeah, feeling fresh as fuck. So if you could please subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. And if you could like this video, that would be awesome too. Please leave us a comment if you want to show us if you like this sort of stuff. And I will see you in my next one. Yeah, check that brow out. Oh my god. Oh, yes. Yes, thank you, God.